Welcome back, guys. So in this class we're going to do some simple examples of error handling by using the try and except block. So what is try block and what is except block? The try block lets you test a block of code for errors. So if you want to test a part of code, you have to mention that code or enclose that code in a try block. And the except block lets you to handle the error. So we can handle the error by using the except block. So now let's do an example and try to understand this concept. So right now I am doing an example, and so now I am using the try and except block. So first of all, try. This is the syntax. I have to use this keyword try, and then I have to put here a colon. And after that I have to write my statement. So right now I'm typing here print x. Now I'm using the except block. Except print x is not defined. Okay, so when we will run this program, so try block will generate an exception because as you can see on my screen, I have not defined the x, or I have not assigned any value to x. So x is not declared and defined, so that's why the try block will generate an exception and our output will be that x is not defined, right? So let's run this program and see the output. X is not defined. In this way, we can handle the different errors by using the try and catch block. So let's do another example. So we can use this try and except block with lists, tuples, functions, loops, anywhere we want to use these. Okay, right now I'm using this try and except block with a list. So I'm defining here a list A, and I'm passing here few values like 1, 2, 3, right? And after that I just want to assess the value 2. So I'm just typing here, okay, first element, right? And here I'm passing here okay, so here I am giving the index. So first element is at index 0, right? So this is, and now I just want to print another thing, which is print v, and now I want to print the fourth element. But as you can see here in my list, there is no fourth element. There are only 3 elements. So right now I'm trying to assess the fourth elements, and then it will give us error. So simply type here the index, like 1 is at the 0 index, 2 is at the 1 index, and 3 is at the second index. So if you want to assess the fourth value, so it will be on third index, so A3, right? Okay, so let's change this statement, and unhandled error occurred. So now let's run this. So first element is 1, it is printing successfully the first element, and then it is skipping the second. So first element, sorry, it should be here third element, fourth element, right? Fourth element. Let's run this again. So as you can see here, like first element is 1 and it is skipping the fourth element, and unhandled error occurred. So this is how we can use the try and except block with the different modules in Python. So that's it for now. See you in the next class.